Welcome back to another quick tutorial on Instagram. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to recover deleted Instagram story without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you found this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram. I'm going to click on here to open my Instagram. Then after you open up your Instagram, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon right here. And the next thing you need to do is to click on this three slider from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your activity. And the next thing you need to do is to click on recently deleted. Then you have your deleted Instagram story right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on the story. Then this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on restore. Restore story. If you share this story within the past 24 hours or add it to your story highlight, people will be able to see and interact with it again. If you deleted it from your Anki, it will restore to your Anki. So next thing you need to do is to click on restore. Once you restore, you can simply click on view story right here. And then click on your story right here to view the restore deleted story. And here we go, you have it back. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.